Hey John, I turned back on the demo here again so we can see this and have it set to the iframe. So we click on this, we get it in iframe. So what, this will probably tell you something you already know, but what an iframe is, it's displaying a web page inside a box. So that's all it does. So because it's a web page inside a box, you see everything here. You see the header, the footer, all that parts. Now we could prepare a simple header footer template that is used with the event calendar page that gets rid of all the stuff at the top and all the stuff here at the bottom. So it's just the text here at the top and the calendar and the link. So that could be easily done, and you would just have that. And that isn't a bad user experience because all you can do is close that out and then they can go to another one. Where it gets a little bit iffy is, okay, we want to submit a new calendar event, and they click on this. So because this is all operating inside an iframe, it opens that page inside the iframe also. So then they'd be doing their thing here over inside the iframe, which again has its pluses and minuses. Again, you notice you have the social here and the social here because this is again a web page inside a box. So then they would submit this and then the message would appear here, but they'd be doing all of this inside an iframe. So you'll notice there's no back button, there's no URL link at the top. All those things would normally be there in a browser interface are gone because it's doing it in an iframe. So to me, it's not clear. I like parts of the interface. By the way, there's no back button, so you can't go back. You just got to go back over here and start again. Oops, hit the wrong button. So I can see pros and cons to doing it each way. As far as SEO, this event calendar is a page. So even if we display that page in the iframe here, it still is a page and would have all the SEO characteristics, meta title, meta tag, all that stuff, because it is a page. It's just a page being displayed in the iframe. And we would want it to be found in search. So when we want it to be found in search, we would want it to be found with the header and with the footer on a real page that people could do things with. When we display it here in the iframe, we'd want it to not have the header and the footer. So if I would lean toward having it go to a page. I think the net of it is probably a little better when they click on this and it would just open a new browser tab and have the full page there. And then if they were to close it, they could come back here and pick another one. But again, it's not a clear-cut answer. So I'm going to stop my rambling and send this to you and see what your thoughts are. I can accommodate whichever way you want to do it.